Welcome to Phuket. Second time in Thailand for us. What'd you think of the journey all the way down to Patong?
It was a long drive using Grab.
So the nice thing is they officially announced, I think like a month before this trip, that you can take Grab now, which is really convenient.
So the ride was 635 Thai baht.
It sounds expensive, but we covered a lot of distance. It was like an hour, over an hour. How about that flight?
We were delayed. They said we were delayed, too much
we were.
traffic on the ground. So I actually fell asleep before
No
we
wonder.
even took out.
I didn't even know they said that.
Yeah.
That's why we were just on the tarmac.
Yeah, I said there's too much traffic.
I was asleep too.
Yeah.
We took AirAsia. With the amount of traffic, it ended up being 2 hours. The flight time was really short. It's got to be less than an hour and a half.
Once we arrived, it was really smooth sailing to get through immigration. They had a lot of open counters, so we each had our own counter. We went right through, no problems. It was really easy.
Didn't have to fill anything out ahead of time. Yeah, it was easy. Now we're in the hotel. We chose Patong, which is where all the nightlife is. Since we're going to be here for 3 days, to be stuck in a hotel or a resort where there's not a lot to do, I would kind of get bored. So we did find a hotel.
It's called IHG Hotel Indigo.
It's definitely the higher end for the Patong hotels.
Yes.
But we also did the junior suite, so that was a bit more expensive. It's got like the W Hotel vibes going on with some neons and dark colors. What's your favorite part of the room?
My favorite part is the tub.
Yeah, I will have to agree with that because you could fit like 4 people in that thing. So I'm glad we brought a bath bomb. We've heard the weather's been a little iffy. It's overcast now, you can see from our balcony,
I
but
feel like it's actually, the sun is shining more than it was on the drive down.
oh, maybe it is a little clearer. The beach is like a couple blocks down the street. We're on a very busy street, but thankfully our window or balcony faces the quieter side.
And we have to look for contact solution because now we have a streak of getting our contact solution taken away.
Yes, I tried to play it, 110 milliliters. If you saw our last vlog in Phnom Penh, same thing. It was AirAsia too, I think. But it doesn't matter, it was Terminal 4. They're smart. So just make sure that you take something that's 100 milliliters or less, otherwise they'll take it away. We're excited for the beach. We're obviously excited for this hotel and some good food around this area as well. And of course the nightlife, which we might take it easy. Chantal injured herself not too long ago. In fact, I kind of urged her to take crutches on this trip, but she didn't want to. So we can't be walking too much. We're about to head out now, and we just closed the balcony door because it was really cold when we entered. But because we had the balcony open and the AC off, the mirrors are like condensated, if that's a word. Like the big mirror here, it doesn't even look like a mirror just because we left the balcony door. That's just how humid it is here in Southeast Asia. Plenty of pharmacies, so we managed to find contact solution right away. It was 79 baht for 60 mil, so that we can carry on the plane next time. And we're making our way down to the beach. It actually gets dark quite fast, but I can actually see some sunset going on. All right, it's 6:30 p.m. How do you feel about the weather?
It's nice. It's not hot.
This whole day was like, I was kind of cold. I was okay wearing pants the entire day. A lot of stuff happening. There's like a whole walk, I'm guessing down the way is like where the crazy stuff happens.
So maybe that's about a 10-minute walk, I think, 10-15 minutes.
Okay, we found street food stalls, I guess. I think it's called Beyond Patong, but this looks promising. I have a feeling the price of the food's gonna be very reasonable, and we have cash now.
You're feeling out of luck, you feel
So we've decided to stop and get some skewers. We got some chicken, vegetables, octopus, and I think it'll be very good because it's being freshly grilled for us.
And then I went over because I didn't understand how this works. I guess you can just sit wherever and they'll bring it to you. But I walked over to the mango stall and got 1 mango juice and 1 guava juice. One thing that we're not having though is there are a ton of cannabis shops, dispensaries all over Patong and just Phuket in general since we've been driving through. This one right here actually has a sign for cannabis ice cream. Sounds really intriguing. All right, what's the total?
250 Thai bahts.
250 Thai baht for like 6 skewers. And then the drinks
Were 60 Thai bahts each.
it's actually a lot quieter. What time is it? Like 7:30? And we're like on busy streets. There's a lot of restaurants, a ton of massage parlors, a lot of weed shops. It's not busy. Like you can
Freely walk around.
Yeah, I'm sure we're getting to busier parts and towards the end of the night it probably gets even busier.
You're feeling out of luck, you feel on your own. Stuck in a rut, baby, call my phone.
Looks like a little souvenir shop market thing. We're gonna see if I can find a sticker. Okay, it's mostly like clothing and stuff like that. I don't think there's any stickers here. And at the very end, there's a shooting range, which is
Time and space, we'll find its way. Hey, can't stay.
casually catching some waves at 9:20 p.m. That's cool. So many of these party trucks, buses, and they are loud. Like music loud. Bassy, you can hear them coming. It's crazy. We did hit up the very popular Bangla Road, known for
Everything crazy.
walk down the street. It was like 7:30 p.m. so it wasn't too bad yet. Started to rain a little bit. A lot of it was not really our vibe. You know, we wanted something a bit more chill. So at the end of Bangla Road, we hit up Star Something, and it was fun, right?
Yeah, it was nice because there was a lot of empty seats. And there's a live band, live musicians singing, so it was good. It was definitely more our speed. So any of those like known party streets, I'm typically the kind of person who wants a nice, quieter vibe. So that was perfect.
All the songs were great. They're really good singers, recognizable music. So fun time, and then it started getting even busier and busier, which is cool.
Dessert time.
Yes, banana pancake. As soon as I said it, next place over they had one. And there's a pizza place too, and they had a legit pizza oven. We might have to check that out for dinner tomorrow. I think Chantal said the reviews were good, so. Banana Nutella roti, as they call it, and it's 80 baht. I think that's kind of the standard price we've been seeing across, so I'm gonna grab that, grab some drinks, head back. Good night, guys.
Way too much.
morning, everyone. Today we had a late start. We did have an alarm, but of course it's our first morning here, so we were a little lazy. Once we got ready, it actually started raining, like pouring. So we waited for the rain to die down before we went out to grab breakfast. We had breakfast at Coffee Club, and we ordered a smashed avocado toast and banana coconut pancakes. And while we were there, we actually ordered tickets to do a island hopping tour tomorrow.
It starts at 7 in the morning, so realistically, we're not going to get breakfast. So on our way back, we ended up going to 7-Eleven to grab some snacks like sandwich, onigiris for tomorrow morning, so that way we can just eat that quickly before we get picked up. And we also grabbed some sunblock because we didn't have any.
You call when you call. Hey, you feeling out of luck, you feel
We hung out at the pool. It was raining the entire time we were there, but it was really relaxing, just sitting under an umbrella, watching the rain clouds kind of come over the island. Now we are at lunch, dinner? What are we doing? We're gonna eat some traditional Thai food at a little spot that we came across.
It's a lot of food, I think. We got a pad thai, a pineapple fried rice, tom yum, milk tea, and I think we're gonna go for some sticky rice with mango for dessert as well. Prices are very reasonable. I don't remember the exact amount, but I think the most expensive dish was about 200 baht. I think that was for the tom yum.
stuck in a rut, baby, call my phone. Hey, time and space, we'll find its way. Hey, you can't stay.
Take like a piece of mango with the rice. I'm pretty sure that's coconut. I don't know what the little
Those nuts are.
corn niblets.
Oh, it breaks easily though.
Nice.
Pack it on.
Oh, maybe it's like condensed milk. Because usually there's something liquidy on it.
Yeah. I think it's ice cream.
What?
Or,
Okay, I gotta try it.
and there's like sea salt,
Oh.
I think.
This is a big mango. I owe you a big one. Yeah, I don't know what the crunchy bits are.
Type of cereal or,
But the sticky rice is not so sticky, which is good.
yeah.
And it's like soft. I like it.
Hey, you feeling out of luck, you feel on your own. Stuck in a rut, baby, call my phone. Hey, time and space, we'll find its way. Hey, you can't stay. Something you said.
8:30 p.m. rejuvenated. Gonna grab a dinner now, even though we ate like
3 hours ago?
yeah, and that was like a proper meal. But we're just gonna have margarita pizza, a couple drinks along the beach because there's a place that was called Il Pomodoro that intrigued us the other night. So let's go check it out.
Instead of pineapple pizza, they do mango pizza.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Okay, we had dinner. It was really good. It was 18 Singapore dollars for one margarita pizza, a glass of wine, and soda water. Then on our way back, we stopped by to pick up some fresh mango. It was 100 Thai baht. I think it's a really good price because it's a pretty hefty cup. So we're gonna get ready for bed because we have an early morning tomorrow. Good night.